Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stop Procurement, and so as we have the series of the logistics, so today I have another topic for you, which is the inbound versus outbound logistics. So key difference will be explained. Just keep in touch in this video, and I will explain to you what is the difference between the inbound and outbound logistics. Ever wonder how products reach factory and how they leave the warehouse to the customers? That's the world of inbound and outbound logistics, two crucial part of the supply chain. In this video, we will break down the key difference with a simple example you can relate to. So first of all, what is the inbound? Inbound logistics refer to everything that involves bringing material or the goods into your business facilities. Think raw materials, components, product from the suppliers that goes to ensure your operations run smoothly by getting the right input at the right times. This is called the inbound logistics. When we say inbound logistics, so that is equal to the receiving plus storage and transportation into the business. And imagine the car manufacturer receiving steels, engines and tires from various suppliers. That's called inbound logistics, which will receive or arrive on the one place in the one warehouse of the facility, and then it will be go for the assemblings and the new car will be designed. What is the outbound logistics? Outbound logistics is the opposite, exactly the opposite. It's all about moving finished goods out of your business facility and into the hands of the customer. This includes the warehousing, order fulfillment and transportations. So when we say the outbound logistics is equal to the storage and order processing plus delivery to the customers. So examples that once the cars are built or assembled, outbound logistics handle delivering them to the dealerships to the customer. Let's summarize the key difference between the inbound and the outbound logistics. Direction into the business, out to the customers, main focus, raw materials, parts, finished goods. Key activity receiving inventory, suppliers, management, shipping, orders, processing and delivery goods. And delivery goals, ensuring productions continuity, ensure customer satisfaction. That is called the inbound and outbound logistics. Efficient inbound logistics keep your production running without delays, and effective outbound logistics keep your customer happy by delivering the orders on time. Whether you are receiving materials or shipping finished products, logistics is what keeps the supply chain moving. Now you know the difference between the inbound and outbound, two sides of the same powerful process. So like this video, subscribe for more logistics, supply chain and procurement insights. Thank you for watching this video.